Hello friends, for video D in this series I was going to do 39, but I realized that that's not part of the homework, so let's be efficient. Let me see. I'll go with 45. There we go. 45 is a nice one. And it gives us f of x equals absolute value of x, and g of x, oops, why did I do capital G? It's an old habit. G of x equals absolute value of x and then minus 2. The minus 2 is on the outside of the absolute value. All right, and then the direction says graph the given functions f and g in the same rectangular coordinate system. Select integers for x, starting with -2 and ending with +2. Once you have obtained your graphs, describe how the graph of g is related to the graph of f. Okay? Please graph using a graphing calculator or Desmos, the Desmos app, because I don't want you to waste time doing x and y values for this, all right? So if you do, when you do, you'll get this. Here's my x and y. Every little tick mark is just going to be worth 1. Make life simple. Okay. And I made my f graph, or I underlined it in red just so I can show it off simply. The graph of absolute value I know looks just like this. 45-degree angles everywhere. Okay. And then this -2, if you run it through Desmos, you'll see runs like this. Okay. And the command on this problem is describe how the graph of g is related to the graph of f. And let's just go ahead and say the graph of g of x, I should say, is 2 units shifted downward, okay? Shifted down. From, oops, that's terrible, from f of x. Okay, that's it. Exact same graph, just shifted down. And I do want you to notice that that downward shift comes from this -2 on the outside of the absolute value. It would be a left or a right if it were inside the absolute value.